Okay guys, so I wanted to show you the different devices that I use. So basically this is all the different hands that you will see in my videos coming up in the future. I'll show you this hand first. This is my work arm. This is an Autobot Greifer. It's old, still going, it's beat up, but it does all of my strenuous activities. This takes the beating. See how this opens to all power? Just opening it manually since I'm not wearing them. So this is basically a vise. This will take a lot of beating. Has a lot of strength, and you can see how wide this portion is here. So you get a lot of good surface area to grasp. And down in here, you have all these rubber pads. And what they do is they're just a lot of good grip. They sort of sink in. You allow what you're picking up to sort of sink in and grip like a tire. So this you will see quite a bit. This also rotates. It's kind of locked in. It's tough to move my hand like this, but I can manually rotate. So that's that. My carbon fiber socket. It's a 2-channel, 2-electrode hand, as you can see inside. One opens, one closes, and this also has a powered wrist rotator. So, again, not hooked up to me, so I can't really demonstrate that. Here is an older passive arm that I used to wear in school before I got the eye limbs in 2007. So I basically just does nothing. You just wear it and you blend in, and that's about it. Sort of self-explanatory. I won't be wearing this, but I thought it was worth looking at. Alright. Now, here is an Autobot Michelangelo. This is brand new. I'm actually borrowing this right now. This has the flesh tone glove on it, and here's the connections. Alright. And here is my everyday arm. I wear this for working and going out and everything in between. This is my arm that I absolutely love. It's another Autobot Michelangelo. This is about 6.5 years old. It is the most reliable, durable, just the best hand I've ever had. I've trialed a whole pile of different hands. I've trialed the Bionic, the Vincent hand, the Tasca hand, and this is by far my favorite. It is the most reliable hand and arm system I've ever had. I had this all custom airbrushed by a guy from a tattoo studio locally. It's all automotive paint, and it's clear coated. So this will be in a lot of videos. Alright. Again, powered wrist rotator and 2-channel, so one electrode opens and one electrode closes. If I flex the muscles very fast and firm, it'll operate the wrist. So that is pretty much it. Now that you've seen the different devices that I use, you'll have a little more of an idea when you see them pop up. Alright, if you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe, and I will post some more soon. Thank you.